I was planning to upgrade the mirrorless system for last 2 years, and finally I found a nice bargain with Z30. Buy it with the kit lenses, which I'm recording right now is 16 to 50 millimeters DX, and the other one is 50 to 250. I'm quite impressed of its performance. For my photo works I was using the 5200, and my video works I was using the iPhone 14. In this video I will try to compare it with the iPhone 14. And that's my iPhone 14. These are different products, even it's really compact size mirrorless camera. I still can't carry it for everywhere. I was using my iPhone 14, and thanks for last year, because without it this channel can't be happened. Switch it to the Z30. In my left hand is iPhone, and in my right hand is Z30. Not a big problem with the iPhone 14. Well, I will use it with my everyday shoots. Z30 is improvement over iPhone 14. I don't have a chance to try it with the iPhone 15 Pro. I'm really curious of this camera. I want to test different things and wanted to play with more. So let's start with unboxing. Since I buy it with the 50 to 250 zoom lens, and another box is Z30 with 16 to 50 millimeters. First open the Z30. So inside you will see some paperworks. There is a USB-A to USB-C cable. I will write the specifications afterwards. And there are few other paperworks too. So inside the box it's quite well packed, as you see, and there is a strap. Okay, it looks nice. I don't know, I will use it. There's a battery. It's EM-EL25, 16 to 50 millimeters. Okay. It looks really small apart from other lenses. I'm really curious about its performance too. This is the Z30. Feels nice in my hand, Actually, I'm quite surprised. I was thinking it's much more smaller, but the grip is quite nice. Putting the battery, I hope it's fully charged. So you can open like that, and is that charged? Well, it's not charged. I think there is no adapter, as I said. We'll charge it with the USB, so I'm not planning to use strap. Attach the 16 to 50 millimeters. So okay, let's attach it quickly. Outside is quite problem, as you know. I'm not suggesting you to do that outdoors, as I said earlier. So without expose camera too much. Okay, that's it. I feel really nice in my hand. So let's put that cap away. So last box, it came with the kit. It's 50 to 250, and let's open that too. It also came with the paperwork, secured well. Okay. And it's extending like that. So I'm quite excited of these two lenses and the camera body, and I will compare with the iPhone 14. Is that really improve my image quality and my video works? Well, I'm also curious about its photo performance too. I'm still using for last week, and I try to learn of the focusing and performance and the capabilities of this camera. I will in-depth review of this camera in upcoming videos. In this video I will try to keep things simple and I will try to show you is that really worth to upgrade from iPhone 14. So it's fluctuating between 1600 and 22,000, and I think as you see the performance is quite good.